Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. I'm going to be opening up this package to show you guys what came in from Amazon Prime today. But before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for everything you do. All those subscribes, thumbs up, likes, comments, everything, all the interaction with the channel. I love doing these watch review videos for you, and I'm going to keep them coming to you. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and post affiliate links so you can head on over and pick them up and wear them for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into this package today and see what we have from Amazon Prime. Okay, it looks like we have a Seiko and don't know. So we've got a mystery box and we've got a Seiko. So what do we want to see first? Well, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Seiko watches. I love Seiko. They have very, very seldom disappointed me. They are one of my favorite watch brands. So I guess I'm going to get into the Seiko first. Okay. Alright, looks a little bit different than some of the Seikos that I've gotten before, but it did say on the Amazon listing that is a re-import. I'm not sure what that means. Everything is in Japanese, so can't really make out what the book says. Yeah, see, this is a lot different than some of the other Seikos that I've opened up on this channel. I don't know if you've noticed from any other videos, but none of them usually come packaged like this, so this is a little bit different. Alright. This is supposed to be the SND379P, which it is, according to this tag. Let's see what we've got here. It feels pretty light. It's a lightweight watch, definitely. It says it's stainless, but it feels kind of almost like it's titanium. It's very, very light. Almost light enough to feel like it's a cheap watch. I'm not a big fan of this band movement, this bracelet movement, though. Right off the bat, I'm noticing it's very, very loose. That's what it looks like up close. Like I said, it's the Seiko SND379P. The price on this on Amazon right now is somewhere in the neighborhood of $130. This is supposed to have a sapphire crystal, and it's a quartz chronograph movement. This is also boasts about 100 meters of water resistance, and it does have that stationary compass bezel. I'm gonna have to say, first impression of the watch is I'm not too impressed with it. It looks a lot smaller in person than I thought it was going to look. And the quality, I mean, it feels so light that it almost feels like a cheaper quality watch. But like I said, I mean, it says it's stainless in the description, but it feels kind of almost like a light titanium. Let's see here if we can get this plastic off. I mean, it is a trifold clasp with the safety signature on the safety. But everything just feels kind of flimsy on this watch, I'm gonna have to say. It doesn't feel like a Seiko quality watch the way I'm used to them feeling, especially in the $130 price range. I mean, just to give you an example, this one right here is very similar. This is I believe somewhere around $130 also, and it's an Addis dive. Very similar design, not identical, but pretty similar. And the quality on these Addies dives are much, much better than what I'm feeling in this watch right here. In comparison to like the bracelet quality, the finish quality. I don't know. There's just something off about this watch. It kind of almost feels like a Faco instead of a Seiko. Not really sure what to think about that watch right there, but it is the SND379P. And the price on Amazon right now is somewhere in the neighborhood of $130, and it's supposed to have a sapphire crystal quartz chronograph with 100 meters of water resistance. And I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can pick one up on Amazon and let me know what you think about it when you get it. If you've already had an experience with this watch, let me know what you think about this watch as well. Leave that in the comments section below. But I will post a link to this in the description below, even though I'm not thoroughly impressed with it. Everybody likes what they like. We all like different things. So if this watch does appeal to you, I will post an affiliate link down below. That is an affiliate link. It doesn't change the price. You don't pay anything more to use it. The only difference is I get a small commission if you do decide to use that affiliate link to purchase this watch. So I will post a link to this in the description below. I'm not thoroughly impressed with it, so I'm going to give it a thumbs down just based on the fact that I don't think it feels like regular Seiko quality should, in my opinion. So anyway, let's open up this mystery box because I know everybody's been wanting to know what's inside this mystery box. It doesn't say what's in it. Oh, it does say it. It does say it on this, but let's see here. Let's see which one it is. Okay, so guys, it's an Invicta. It doesn't come in the yellow, the regular yellow box that I'm used to seeing the Invictas in. And I think I know which watch this actually is. I think I purposefully ordered this watch because I think I'm actually going to hate it. But let's get into it and take a look at it and see anyway. And yes, it is. It's the one I think I'm going to hate. Now, this watch, the reason why I actually ordered this watch is because I thought it was probably the ugliest watch I've ever seen in my life, and I wanted to see it in person to make sure that that was actually the truth. And I'm going to tell you right now, this thing is heavy as, like, I mean, it is heavy. And it is also, in my opinion, ugly as well. So, I don't know. Maybe somebody out there might like this watch. I will be posting an affiliate link to this one in the description below as well. But I specifically ordered this watch to see if it could possibly be as ugly as I thought it could be in person. And I was right. And guys, I don't want to get a bunch of hate in the comments section below because everybody's trying to tell me how good a watch Invicta is. I love Invicta watches. I have several Invicta watches. I like them. They're great watches. But this watch right here, I just don't think I think it's ugly. That's just my personal opinion on this watch. I think the rope around the dial, the bezel is absolutely hideous looking. I think the size of this watch is hideous. I think the size of the band is hideous. This watch has a MSRP of $1,200. $1,200 for this watch. But guys, honestly, that's the MSRP. This thing is actually available on Amazon right now for roughly $130. So if you do like something this ugly and gaudy, which I don't, and I like gaudy watches. I'm going to be honest with you. You can see my collection. I've got a lot of watches that are very, very bold and outspoken and in your face. I do like loud watches. I don't steer away from loud watches, but guys, this has got to be the ugliest watch I've ever seen in my life. I mean, if you don't think so, let me know. Put that in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this watch. But anyhow, it is a quartz watch. It's got 100 meters of water resistance. It's got a bubbled synthetic sapphire crystal also, and it is heavy. Like, you don't have to worry about somebody stealing this watch off you, because all you'd have to do is swing your arm at him and it would probably put him into a coma. This watch is heavy. I'm gonna have to say it's got to be 6 to 8 ounces. I mean, it's heavy. Let me actually weigh this. Okay, guys, I was wrong. It's actually 11.4 ounces. 11.4 ounces for this watch. I mean, it is absolutely ridiculously heavy and ridiculously large. The only person that could pull off a watch like this would be somebody with a very huge forearm, very big arms. It's just a gigantic monster of a watch. I personally don't like it at all. But if you do like it, like I said before, we all like what we like. We all like different things. Some people might love this watch. I'm just here to show you what you can get in a decent price range, a good quality watch, and Invicta is a good quality watch for a great price. So if you do like this, I will be posting a link to this in the description below. It's called the Invicta Bolt, B-O-L-T, and it's currently on Amazon Prime right now for about $130. And like I said before, quartz movement, 100 meters of water resistance, and a sapphire crystal and stainless steel. A very, very tight bracelet, very good quality, very, very large clasp. It is tri-folding with the milled, it's a milled tri-folding clasp. It is a very big watch. Let's see here, if I even put it on my wrist, what it would look like. Actually, after putting it on, I don't think it looks too bad. That's kind of funny. I mean, it seemed like it was a lot larger off the wrist, but when I put it on, it seems like, I don't know, it's not too bad. I don't know, guys. If you're looking for a big watch, this is it. If you're looking for something with really good quality that you don't have to pay a lot of money for, this is also it. Invicta is a great quality watch. It's got a great price tag attached to it. Honestly, guys, I don't think it looks all that bad since I've put it on. I mean, I do like I said before, I do like my loud watches, and, well, this one is a loud watch. It's probably, I would have to say, one of the loudest watches I've seen, and loud and ugly. But I think it's something that could kind of grow on me, to be honest with you. It's not an everyday wear, that's for sure. But if you look at it, the dial looks very, very nice. It's nicely constructed, nicely built. I was not a huge fan of it at first, and I still think it's pretty ugly and loud, but I would wear it. I would actually wear this watch. So that said, that is the Invicta Bolt 129. $130 roughly on Amazon right now, and this is the Seiko SND379P with the sapphire crystal and the quartz chronograph with 100 meters. But they both have 100 meters of water resistance. They both have sapphire crystals, and they're both good quality watches. But this one right here, I don't know if it's titanium. If it's titanium, then that makes sense why it's so light. If it's stainless, I'm not sure why it is as light as it is. But anyhow, like I said, I will be posting links to both of them in the description below. If you guys do decide to pick one up, I would appreciate clicking on that affiliate link and leaving a comment letting me know what you guys think about these watches. The Seiko that seems like the Seiko that feels like a Faco, and the ugliest watch known to man. So let me know what you guys think about these watches. And until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I review here and provide those affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick them up for yourself. So until next time, I'm Dave the Watchman. I hope you guys all have a great week, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Thank you very much and have a great day.